Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you this pink glitter eye makeup, and this is a very beautiful eye makeup which is perfect for any wedding party eye makeup. So if you want to know how I created this makeup, then please keep on watching and do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this tutorial. And guys, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any video whenever I will upload. So without a further ado, let's start with this video. So very first step, I'm gonna prepare my eyes with concealer. You can use eye primer also, but I prefer concealer and I'm using Character Cosmetic concealer. Also I'm using a concealer brush. I'm using tapping motion for concealer, and after set this concealer with this brush, then I will use compact powder or loose powder. You can use also if you have loose powder, and I'm setting this with Rimmel Stay Matte translucent powder, and I'm using here powder brush. So for this look, I'm going to use today Pigment Play eyeshadow palette, and first I'm taking this purple color from this eyeshadow palette, and I'm using here Swiss Beauty shader brush in C7. So I'm using this shader brush for this color, and I will cover my full lid with this color. So when I was creating this look, it turns out so beautiful. I was so happy with my look. So you can wear this with your lehenga, sari or any party dress, because this is such a beautiful look for any party guys, and also you can wear this in festive season. You can see I have covered my both eyes with this eyeshadow. After this I'm gonna use C6 blending brush from Swiss Beauty, and I'm gonna use this light pink color. Also I'm gonna smudge harsh line. For smooth transition we have to smudge harsh lines. So as you can see, I am blending harsh edges. So take your time for blending, don't rush please when you are blending your eyeshadow. Also I want to share, I recently purchased this brushes set. I must say this brushes quality is really good. Also they are very affordable, plus the quality is really good. I really like this brushes set, and this is Indian brand guys, so if you are in India you can buy. So guys, as you can see, I am not going above my crease line. Next I'm using this C precise blending brush, and I am blending even more for smooth transition. Then I went with this dark brown color from this palette. I am only blending this in my outer corner, not going above my crease line here. Also if you are not using tape, you can use this method. Hold your brush in the direction of your outer eyebrow, and then swipe your brush from outer to inner third part. Now I am again using this C3 precise blending brush, and guys, with this trick which I just told you, with this trick you can see you will get this V shape eye look. Also I'm gonna clean outer part with compact powder with this look, because I'm gonna keep this look very natural. I'm not using any concealer here. I'm using again dark brown color, but this time I'm not blending, only I have just placed this eyeshadow here. Then I am using this definer brush here for my lower lash line. First I'm gonna use this dark purple color for my lower lash line, which we use first for our lid. Then I went for light pink color for inner corner.
to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I ever you
So guys, I don't have same color eye pencil which color we use for our eyeshadow. So what I'm gonna use this concealer for my water lash line, and then I will place dark purple color on top of this concealer as my eye cone. You can use this trick with any eyeshadow whenever you don't have same eye pencil, but be careful with your brush. Just don't go very harsh for your water lash line because this can touch your eyeball also. Next, I'm gonna use this Maybelline gel eyeliner. I'm gonna use a angular brush for this step. First, I'm creating the straight line with this brush, and then I will go along my lash line and I will create thin eyeliner. As you can see, first I'm going outer to inner part, then inner to outer part, guys. And guys, always remember, if you have hooded eyes, always apply thin eyeliner first, then open your eyes. If you feel you want more thick eyeliner, then always apply thick eyeliner, but don't go first with thick eyeliner, it can mess your crease line. And I am just making my outer part little more thick, going outer to mid part with this eyeliner. Next, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone and inner corner with this Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm gonna use this pencil brush for this step. I'm giving you one more trick, guys. If you have hooded eyes, you can use your brush which you have used for your eyeshadow. Just press your gel eyeliner with your brush. This will make your eyeliner matte and it will not smudge. Next, I'm going to use this glitter glue and I will apply above my eyeliner, and I will apply this only on my inner to outer third part.
tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
For glitter palette, I'm gonna use this unicorn glitter eyeshadow palette, and from this palette I'm gonna use this light purplish color. Always use flat synthetic brush for glitter application.
Do it just to make me feel. Can I want something real? Just as
So glitter is done, guys. Now I will again use gel eyeliner to bring back the pigmentation. Don't worry, I will use again same brush which I use for tapping motion, but first we have to bring back the pigmentation back.
But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight.
Some of my eyeliner went on my skin and I am trying to remove this with concealer, but it's not going away. But it's looking cute, so I'm not removing this. So guys, now I'm using this eyelashes color to cut my eyelashes. Then I will use mascara from Faces Canada.
Oh my God, can't stay this high. This high, yeah. Oh my God, can't stay this high.
So for eyelashes, I'm gonna use bridal eyelashes today, fluffy eyelashes. And if you want my eyelashes link, so you can check my description box. I will give you link there. I'm done with my eyelashes and highlighting my brow bone. So this is the final look guys. I hope you like my tutorial today, and if you like my tutorial, do like, subscribe and share my tutorial with your friends and family, and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I post new videos. Till then, bye bye, enjoy my video guys, bye.
Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottle